Here is another example of RAG implementation, which is very unique, very powerful. We all know RAG, where we chunk input documents into smaller units, convert them into embeddings which are semantically meaningful vectors, then save it into a vector database. So when a query comes in, we do a similarity search operation and find similar chunks and take 3 or 5 chunks and concatenates them and send it to the large language model. There is one more thing we can do to improve our RAG performance. That is called ReRanking. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. What ReRanking will do is, it will get the semantic search results, then do a re-ranking of the results. So re-ranking will reorder the semantic search results, so reordering the chunks based on its relevance. So here is the code from Agno cookbook. For this we will use Cohere reranker. We can refine our search retrieval with re-ranking. We can improve the semantic searching using this re-rank. A re-rank passes only the most relevant documents into your RAG pipeline and agentic workflows, reducing token use, minimizing latency, and boosting accuracy. Okay, so that is what we are going to see. So coming back to our code, here we have the Agno's re-rank library, and then here is our knowledge base where we are using LanceDB to store the embeddings. And here all we need to do is to provide this reranker, which is Cohere reranker. You need the Cohere API key, which is very easy to obtain. You just need to sign up for a free account, get this API key. Of course, you will also need the embedder, for which we are using OpenAI's embedding 3 small. That is it. And when you run this, you don't see anything different, because this happens within the agent itself. So this is the same code that we just saw from the Agno repo. Let's run and see how it works. So it is creating the vector database, loading the knowledge base, added 3 documents to knowledge base, added 2 documents to knowledge base. I'm adding a PDF document. I'm adding 2 documents. Okay, so it is giving the results with re-ranking. If we comment out the re-ranker, still it works. Okay. The only difference is when you have a large collection of documents, this ensures that your token utilization is optimal, because the retrieved chunks are re-ranked based on its relevance. So you will only be sending the most relevant chunks to the remote database. Okay, so without re-ranking also it works. This is how normal RAG works. So this re-ranking makes RAG more effective and more efficient. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.